We have discovered, after we improved on our service delivery, that we have quite a number of uncollected passports, including in this office. This office alone in Embu is holding approximately 6,000 uncollected passports. Nairobi is holding somewhere between 20 and 30,000 uncollected passports. And the other regional offices also are having some uncollected passports. And therefore, on Wednesday, we are going to initiate a nationwide rapid results initiative on collection of passports. And we are going to make it mandatory for all the people of Kenya who have applied for passports, and we have printed those passports, we have those passports, they must collect those passports within the period that we are going to announce on Wednesday. And every person, we will even publish those passport numbers and those public holders with a notice that they must come and collect them. If they don't, we will announce the measures we will take, because you can't put us under pressure as immigration officers to give you a passport, then when it is printed, you don't come for it. Some of them, we have tried sending them SMS messages, calling them to come and pick, and they are not in a hurry. So we will force everyone to come and pick their passports within a certain period of time. If they don't pick, we will apply the law in terms of making sure that we find a way of disposing and closing that chapter. But that is a subject for next week. For now, I think I'm happy. I want to thank the team here, the officer in charge, the security officers who are helping here with order and law here. I just want to thank them. I want to thank members of the public, and I carry back to Nairobi the commitment to improve the facilities here, and also to look at the welfare of the staff here, and also to look at the IT infrastructure and software that we need to upgrade in this place. Nawashukuru sana, nawatakia kila laheri.
Labda waziri,
yes.
Swali moja. Kuna madai baadhi ya maafisa katika idara wana ufisadi.